Refined and robust, the Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace provides all the space, practicality and flexibility you'll ever need. With a streamlined dynamic shape and an extended wheelbase, the distinctive front grille and tornado line provide greater definition along the sides, whilst longer rear doors and roof rails complete the sharp look. With room for up to 7 people, the Tiguan Allspace is perfectly poised to transport you to new adventures. With high-torque engines, optional 4-motion active control, and the latest assistance systems ensure it's equipped for every adventure on or off-road. Available in 3 different models with a choice of 6 different engines. From the SE Nav to the R-Line, there's the perfect option for everyone. The Tiguan Allspace SEL shown here includes 19-inch Victoria alloy wheels, panoramic sunroof, front silver underbody protection, rear tinted glass, silver anodized roof rails and electrically heated and foldable door mirrors, whilst the optional running boards are both practical and stylish. Travelling with lots of luggage? No problem with boot space options of 230 litres, 700 litres and a massive 1,775 litres, and variable boot floor, providing flexible solutions for everyone or everything. Inside, the ergonomic design is finished to an incredibly high specification. The driver-orientated cockpit has the latest in-car connectivity, including the 8-inch Discover Navigation colour touchscreen display, which can be controlled via smartphone, tablet, or with integrated voice activation. And active info display, front sport seats with 14-way adjustable driver's ergo comfort seats, 3-zone climate control, and ambient lighting. With 3 years CarNet Guide and Inform access, you'll get useful info like traffic, weather, or even nearby fuel prices. And with Security and Service eCall, you'll have peace of mind in any emergency. Safety is paramount, and the Tiguan Allspace is packed with advanced driver assistance systems, such as intelligent LED self-leveling headlights with separate LED daytime running lights and dynamic light assist, as well as park assist with rear view camera, lane assist and side scan, so whatever your plans, it covers all bases. Stylish and rugged, the Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace. Take it all on.